Happy 4th! Would you like a fun little recipe that you can take to any party? It doesn't have to be for the 4th. You can change up the sprinkles and the M&Ms depending on what colors you want. You're going to need some things that you might already have in your cabinet. Almond bark, sprinkles, pretzels, Cheerios, plain M&Ms, and popcorn. Pour all of the pretzels into a bowl. You're only going to do 3 cups of Cheerios and a whole bag of popcorn. However, before you put it in, make sure that you get all the kernels out. You've got to share some popcorn with your dogs. Okay, now I'm going to add about 2 cups of M&Ms. And then I just had some peanuts in the pantry, but I would say about a cup of peanuts. I like the honey roasted. With your almond bark, it can be really finicky. I did a half a package at a time, and you always start with 1 minute. Then you'll stir it around. It'll probably be barely melted, but then you'll put it in for another 30 seconds. And continue with 30 seconds until it gets like this. There might still be a little bit of chunks in there, but just keep stirring and they will melt as you stir. Already have parchment paper laid out. Now you're going to drizzle this chocolate all over your popcorn mixture. Some people lay out the mixture on the parchment paper and then drizzle on top of that, but I really like to mix mine in good. Waited 2 or 3 hours for it to really set up. Making a thin layer actually on the parchment paper helps it dry faster. Oh, add your sprinkles. Then put it in a cute little bag. Add a handwritten note. I'm actually taking these to a nursing home to celebrate the nurses. I know it's hard to work on the holidays. Follow me for more lettering tips.